No, I just found James Bond's truck 007 right here. This is his secret truck 007. Did you guys know that James Bond had a truck? His semi-truck? Found it. I found it. Okay, this is the worst situation ever, man. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm sliding. God damn it. I can't even brake. You know, you gotta be very careful here. Because anything I do, I'm gonna slide. People are waiting. See? Be smart like me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. This is horrible, man. This is horrible. This is definitely not safe. Look, I can't even brake properly. It just slides. Be very careful. Everything's frozen. Ay, ay, ay. Slowly, very slow. I'm a slow. Oh, it's snowing, by the way, again. Yeah, I got it. Okay, I got it. Calm down, relax. There you go. Listen, it's nuts, okay? I'm driving slow, very nicely. It's crazy. I mean, we should be used to this snow. Like, it's Canada. Come on, people. You know, we get this every year. Why is it whenever it's snowing, so many accidents happen? Oh, give me a second. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I can't even brake right now. If I brake, I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna slam this shit. So I'm just letting it roll by itself. It's rolling, okay? Just saying, you know, it's just going. It's going slowly, very nicely. Very nice and slow. Turn my blinkers on, you know. People know. Hazards. Is a hazard. So apparently it's gonna snow again today, by the way. You know, they said there is snow in the forecast today again. Okay, very slow. Whenever you're driving in snow, the first thing is watch your brakes, okay? You have to be very gentle with your brakes. With your acceleration and brakes, okay? This is like the most important thing. Drive slow, brake very slow, okay? You know what? Even if you can, just literally let the vehicle slow down by itself. Like when you remove your feet off the acceleration, it slows down, right? So just let the vehicle do its job. Don't brake if you can. Because the brakes is just no good. As soon as you brake, your vehicle, you know, starts skating and all that stuff. So, you know, be very delicate on your brake. I mean, driving in snow. See, I am braking. Okay, my friend, you are in the middle of the road. That's no good. Yeah, I'm not smiling because I'm happy. I'm smiling because I'm stupid. Okay, this is bad. Look at this. How am I gonna go up here? I'm gonna go up. I'm not gonna let my foot off the brake. Just keep going. I mean the accelerator, the gas. You know, just keep going. If I let my foot off, we're done. We are done for. Okay. So here, this is no good. Slowly. Okay, here we goes. Okay. This is terrible. Okay. This is terrible. You know, I need to. I have a space here. I'll probably stop here. Like trying to break in this snow. Look at this. Freak. You're saying it's okay? Oh, so slippery. Okay, so we are backing out right now. We're backing out. Anyways, let's go. We got too many deliveries today. In the snow. Oh my God, why are you so fast, man? Why is she so fast? You're too fast, my friend. Okay, here we go. We're stuck. You're too fast, man. That lady almost smashed into us. Oh my God. She was driving down like a nut. I understand you have an SUV, but it's not safe. Don't drive fast, because when you're driving fast downhill and it's all frozen like that, anything's gonna happen, okay? I mean, you know, what do you think is gonna happen? Look at this. I am driving slow. I can't even brake. Look. Yeah, oh my God, this is bad. I don't know. You know what? I'm really thinking about going back. This is not safe. Swear to God. Like, look at this. Yeah, I'm still too fast here. Slow down. Dude, she was driving so fast. I'm like looking at her and see what's gonna happen. Is she's gonna freaking go into the school or what? She was like literally driving downhill so fast. You see, this is very dangerous here. Now make sure there's no vehicle, then I'll go. Okay, this is no good. I cannot really work like that. I just go back. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, you see? I'm literally sliding right now. Okay, he's too fast. You're too fast. You're too fast. Slow down. Slow down, man. Slow down. Slow down. Those people in their SUVs, you know, they trust us so much. I understand, but slow down, people. Slow the f down. Look, it's snowing again. I like snow. You know what? I love snow. Rain, snow, whatever. You know, Mother Nature throws it at us. Throw it. Driving 2 miles an hour. That looks fast, but I'm really not driving fast. Like, it's just the perspective. I'm literally like 10 miles, 5 miles an hour. I'm very slow driving right now, and I still cannot brake. And I, by the way, have a full season tire. That's what it's on there. It's not a snow tire, but a full season tire. If that was a snow tire, probably grip more. But anyways, let's go. Welcome into a day of, you know, delivery driver. By the way, thanks for everybody who's watching, you know, and supporting the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for the channel. So basically, in the channel, oh, there we go. In the channel, we'll be doing, you know, it's a vlog thing, so it's a daily life hustle and stuff like that, you know, whatever I do. So we're not going to be talking about a specific thing or just vlog on a specific thing. We're just going to be, you know, just daily vlog, whatever we do. Another one is on right here. Listen, okay, let me tell you, my shoes are not good for this weather. Don't get stuck, don't get stuck, don't get stuck. Oh, I like this. Is that a John Deere? A John Deere plow? Listen, you know what I don't understand is these guys have a plow, okay? Why can't you just do it? Like, if I had a plow, I would freaking plow everywhere I drive. Okay, I'm stuck. Like, seriously. Okay, I'm stuck right on the main of the road. Not safe. This is not safe. Well, listen, I think I'm going back. I swear to God. Look at this. It's not even. Swear to God, this is not safe. Going to the main road. Main road. Again, thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help out the channel. You know, it's all possible to do the videos with you guys watching and subscribing and liking and commenting. I know some of the videos comments are off. Sorry about that. I mean, it's, you know, but yeah, you know, this is the weather right now that I am doing deliveries. You know, you should respect your delivery drivers. Okay, this is like crazy. Doing deliveries in this weather. People are gonna let us in there. I don't know. People are not nice, really. Okay, we're safe. We're safe to go. We're safe. We're safe. Yes. Okay, you go here. You know, you gotta change your one lane at a time. What's going on? Okay, this is oh my god, again. I don't like this road. I mean, there is actually a thing that if the road is no good, you just cancel it, say sorry, I cannot deliver here. But I can't just cancel everything. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Are you stuck? What's going on? Are you stuck? What's going on? Why are you stopping here, my friend? This is not a good place to stop. What's happening? Are you gonna go? Stop. Decide. Decide, my friend. Decide. Allah, Allah. What's happening? Okay, where am I supposed to park? Oh my god, this is just one of those days, you know. Where am I supposed to park? Maybe I'll park here. You know, right? Oh, there is one here. Okay, let's park here. Park here. I got it. Calm down. You can go like this. I think you can go parking like that. I'm stuck on this. Look, there's not even snow in here. Like, where is snow? I'm stuck. Do you see any snow? Stuck. Can't get out. Can't get out. We're stuck here, okay?
Nope. Man, this is horrible.
What you think about when you're born into a fire? Let 'em burn it out. Sell 'em to the richest buyer. They wanna let the world decay. They tell us lies and fade away, fade away. We feel betrayed. We were raised to lose the race. Wake at the back of the pack, kill it anyway. Listen up now, because we're never dropping out. Beat the odds, beat the big house. The brains are bigger than the doubt. We've been thinking for ourselves, never let the truth fade away. This is bigger than ourselves, we won't let the world burn away, burn away. We feel betrayed. We were ready.
This one should be a day in the life of a delivery driver and the snow. Okay, gotta go up here. And we have to step right over here. See, this is what we do. This is what we deal with. What do we deal with? Let's go. What's happening? Wow. Red and blue. Finally, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos, and help out the channel. Have a great day. Bye.